Now, wow, the prices of all, everything is just going up.
Waiting happen again. Oh, they go happen. This one I want to hear you now. Don't they talk price? They go up. I know that scope. They don't promote you. You don't get promotion for work. Oh, hey, meaning say, everything go there better pass before. You go to wash ground for me. You go wash ground.
Wash which ground?
This ground that I'm matching now, you water it.
Eh? Which ground am I?
Why you didn't like you don't understand what I'm saying now?
See, baby, let me tell you. You see, ever since I got this my promotion, my enemies are just all over me. They're after me.
God forbid bad thing. Which enemy? Since when? Who them be? You not tell me these things since. Make I scatter everywhere.
It's not just one person or group of people from afar. They are even very, very close to me. It's not me that said it before you go and quote me out of context.
Who said it?
He's one of my friends. He said that, you see, these enemies, they are very, very close to you. Jesus. They are even living under the same roof with you.
Under the same roof?
Yes. They are very, very close to you. They live under the same roof with you. You see, these enemies, they want to finish you with billing. If you look like billing, slap you anyhow. You will now be doing unforeseen and unplanned spending.
Oga, if you want to talk to me direct. Don't go through the corners. Which one is enemies? Because I told you to bring school fees, and normal house rent money. You are saying for saying spending. You're speaking English. Which spending? Which enemy? Which enemy? Mine.
See, baby, like I said, my enemies are after me.
Hi.
And you see, right now we have to be very, very, very smart about it.
Smart about what? The enemies have been the money. What are we smart about? I like it how. I don't like it.
See, baby, you need to be calming down. No? You see, right now, anything that concerns debit alert or remove money or billing, I don't have small strength. I don't have for
you. No, you can't say this.
I'm trying to protect my sanity.
You can't say this, we just started though. Money has started entry plenty. So I should not be you. Where will I not be you? Where are you going to? I'm talking to you. Where are you going to? No, I don't like this. No, I don't like it. Though. I like it anyhow.
See, young woman. I'm the man in this house. Oh.
Who said you're the woman before?
I'm the man in this house.
Why are you shouting?
I've told you.
Why are you shouting? You want to beat me? Why are you shouting? We will bill you. If children's school fees and house rent is billing, we go bill you. Is it not this house? Just started. Wetin happen? Abeg, dey your day, abeg, no vex me.
Baby, wait now.
No dey touch me, abeg. Wetin happen?
Baby,
You know wetin? Wetin happen? Shey this morning I go meet you for parlour. You tell me say your enemy dey follow your papa and mama. See your friend tell you this, tell you that. Me too, I called my pastor and the man told me that I have to do 7 days mandatory prayer and fasting. Say we get enemies for this house. Time don't reach. Ekwensu ki ihere mee gị n'ụwa, ihere gị na ndị mando otu gị o. Ihere mee gị. Ekwensu ihere mee gị. Reterere bababababa sentere bụ. Ọ gịnị na-afịọzi? Jehova, Jehova, Jehova. Ọkụ eluigwe, ọkụ eluigwe.
Amen. Amen.
Wetin happen?
Amen.
Why you dey shout? Don't do over the one. Don't do over the one.
Eh? We don't finish.
I want sleep. Day your day.
Amen. Baby, that prayer good oh. Good prayer. You a prayer warrior.
You know if they do this kind of thing for this kind of atmosphere, stop am. The Holy Spirit dey hover around.
Baby, this na our room. Eh? This is our bedroom. What can we not do here? Eh? Come now.
Stop. Now you want touch me, Abi? Shebi. I don dey ask you something for like 4 months now. You no answer me. 4 months. I say you buy me that turkey lace. You answer me. If you wan enter this night, you go give me that money. You never ready to.
No, wait, Joe. How much is the turkey lace?
It's just 87,000.
87,000.
87.
That turkey lace na 50,000 they dey sell am.
You never ready. You see the price. Okay. 7,000.
No. Aya.
Hey.
Aya, wait, Joe.
7,000. Do.
I don't send that.
Never see a lot. Okay, thank you. I don't see him.
Aya, wait.
No waiting now. Shebi we see that shoe for the light shop. That luxurious shoe. You no buy am for me.
Baby, that shoe no, na just one pair now. No be only one shoe.
One, na 5 now. You no see am that day, na 5 I choose. Ha! What dey change mouth now?
Aya, I will give you 200,000. I don't know how you want to buy the shoe to buy am.
400.
200.
400.
200.
400.
230.
Which one be 230? 350.
270.
Hi! This man very stingy. Konji never hold you. When you hold you, call better price.
Maybe 270 now. We got 300.
350. No, say now the opportunity I go use collect or won't collect. So I have to do like better woman being. Send them 350k. Baby.
I don't
Send them. Make I check. This night is good though. I don't see him. Thank you, sir. Oh, I sleep.
Yeah, we could do this.
Do waiting now, babe. Wait, you shout. You won't beat me. They use aggression now. Not be small they do am.
Baby, like you know, I'm a very gentle and generous man. Eh?
My belly.
I can.
Hey, I did on my period. Sorry.